gagawin. Uutusan niyo po siya na kunin to sa kamay ko. Now, remember, mommy, you're not allowed to touch the baby's hand. Siya mismo dapat ang kumuha nito sa kamay ko. But remember, you have a time limit of 10 seconds. Kaya makuha niya to. Now, pag hindi, she will get a consolation prize. At pag nakuha niya to, kanya na. Are you ready, mommy? So, timer starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations! Oh, any babies out there? You get the prize in my hand. Calling the babies. Any babies? Any babies to get the prize in my hand? Calling all babies out there. Any babies out there who will get the prize in my hand? I repeat, babies ang po, 1 year old. 1 year old lang po. Pwede. Only babies are 1 year old allowed to play in the game. Wala na babies yan? No more babies out there? Wala na? Isa lang? Yung birthday celebrant na ang may birthday ang may baby? Okay. So palakpakan natin yung birthday celebrant who have won the game. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, kids, this is like a bring me. Kung ilan naman tatala nyo rito in the front, ganon kadami ang ating mga winners. This is